Kũnyegenya kwa nyumba ino ya ngoroba ithano itũra-inĩ rĩa riri rĩa Thindigua Kiambu nĩkuo gũtũmĩte akombori othe 200 arĩa maraikaraga nyũmba-inĩ 40 gwathwo gũthama nĩguo kweherera ũgwati.
All the tenants should vacate the houses today to prevent any incidences, while our engineers who are on the ground are investigating to find out why the building is sinking, and we should be able to get a report of what is causing this problem in the next day or so.
Nyumba ino irerikana yarikire na ikianjia guikarwo miaka 10 mithiru na ndiri hindi iri yakorwo na thina otiga hindi ino mbura iraurire na irathingithia itugi cia nyumba ino uguo iranjiriria gwatuka na mwena umwe kuhorokera.
Engineer who was involved in this project was also present, and they have also been able to give us their statement. From the county, Kiambu County side, we do have the approvals for this development. This development has been in existence for the last 10 years.
Brighton Wekesa arutaga wira wa guthamia indo cia nyumba agitariria akoretwo agithamia akombori aya kuma maheo watho na mukana wa guikara guku
mbili tukihamisha watu kutoka huku mwingine tukampeleka kwingine. Sasa tumekuja hapa, hizi nyumba kukiraki zimekiraki sana, yani zimepasuka kabisa, na hata juzi tukikuja ilikuwa inajaribu kama ina sink. Sasa tukauliza madam, wakasema mchanga inapita chini. Hata ukienda pale kwa nyumba yenyewe ndani imegiraki kukiraki. Walianzia juu, kuna wenye wanatoka wakienda kuja sehemu hii, kuna wengine wanaenda sehemu nyingine.
Sarume Muthoni niwe CC wa migunda miako na mibango ya uthii wa nambere kaunti-ini ya Kiambu akiuga mahurirwo riboti ya nyumba ino kwegega na orio makinyitanira na honge ciothe cia kuramata miako na hamwe na mwene mwako uyu maratua itua ria guthamia muingi nyumba-ini ino ya riri niguo mihango ya kumithurima ithie na mbere.
Our focus mainly has been on the buildings that are coming up. To ensure that the buildings have got proper documentation and to ensure that the developers that are constructing right now are complying with all the requirements of building.
Kurumirira kumumoka kwa nyumba mahinda kwa mahinda kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni gwathugundirwo gikundi kia unyitaniri wa honge iria iramataga miako niguo kunyabara uria mihango ya waki wa manyumba iratwarithio na mbere kaunti-ini ino, na kamiti ino ya mwanya ndiri irarikiriria mihango yayo uguo mari na wira muritu wa kuruta kuona o uria kurakia niguo kuraturaturwo na gwakwo manyumba maingi, kuona Kiambu nikio kiraro kia aingi aria marutaga wira mucii munene wa Nairobi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Thindigua kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.